In this video, we'll use information about the measure of each interior angle in a regular polygon to help us figure out how many sides the polygon has. Well, we know there is a formula. If we take the number of sides minus 2 and take that quantity and multiply it by 180 degrees, that's a formula that allows us to find the sum of the interior angles in a polygon. If we take that sum of all the angles and divide it by n, the number of angles, that allows us to find the measure of a single interior angle in a regular polygon. So in this type of problem, they're giving us that value. They're saying that the measure of each interior angle in a regular polygon is 108 degrees. And they are asking us, there we go, I'm trying to remove that. We had 108 degrees, okay, and given this information, they want us to figure out how many sides it has, which basically means find n. Okay, so we have an equation that we know is true. We just need to solve for n. Well, n is showing up in this numerator, and it's showing up down in the denominator. So we just have to be kind of creative. First thing, hey, let's get n out of the numerator, out of the denominator. So let's multiply both sides of the equation by n. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to get another color. Let's multiply both sides by n. And now we're going to, let's see, n over n reduces to 1. So we have n minus 2 times 180 is equal to 108n. Okay, so to solve this equation, we need to get all the n terms together. So the first thing we have to do is simplify this side. We need to distribute. We need to eliminate parentheses with distribution. So 180 times n is 180n. Oh man, why does that happen? And we've got 180n. And now we're taking 180 times negative 2. So we're going to subtract 360. And that equals 108n. So now we need to get all the n terms together. Normally I like to leave the biggest n term where it is and bring the other work over there. However, the left-hand side of my equation has both a numerical term and a variable term, and the right-hand side only has a variable term. So I can get things done with just one step here. If I subtract 180n from both sides, I now have negative 360 equals negative 72n. Okay, out of room? Okay, so negative 360 is equal to negative 72n. So of course I'm trying to find a single n, not the negative 72 times n. So let's divide both sides by negative 72. I'll get n equals negative 360 divided by negative 72. That's a case where a calculator might be handy. Turns out it's 5. So n is 5. So this polygon has n sides. So if I were to ask you what type of polygon it was, or what do you classify it as, you would say pentagon. It's a regular pentagon.